Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Adrienne, this is my daughter Ileana, and today we are going to do what kind of video? An unboxing? An unboxing, review. Anyway, so in the mail yesterday, we got this little package, right baby? You wanna hold it? I'm gonna show everyone the box. Yeah? Go ahead and try to open it. So here we are trying to open up the box with the butter knife. It was taking so much effort. And also, I'm sorry if you guys see me looking off to the side. That's because I was trying to make sure that she was actually in frame and not that, you know, I was just talking to a ghost. The struggle is real with this butter knife. Trying to open up this package, but that's all right. We are going to get through this. We are going to get through this. Go ahead, take it out carefully. You gotta be extra careful. Okay, we're gonna put this box on the floor. Hold on, wait. Let's show you it first. We got a package from Laura Lee. Okay, so this is her new launch, and I bought it the day it was released, and she came out with all these little individual little shadows, and then you can buy the magnetic palette separate, but I just bought the bundle. So let's put all the shades in here and actually see what we got. Okay, so here are the shades in the palette, and then here are all the swatches. Yes, I am using my daughter's arm, but she did not complain. She was having fun. But these shades are absolutely gorgeous. They are creamy. They're not drying. Please excuse the fact that my closet is a mess. I did not bother cleaning up as we were unboxing this and taking out everything. But these colors are absolutely gorgeous. Oh my god. I still can't believe it. Look at all those beautiful shades. And they're so pigmented. Okay, everyone. So this is the palette. The front. This is the back. And it does not come with a mirror, but that's okay. For the bundle I paid $119, $120. Look at these, really. I love this blue. Oh my gosh. So far the only downfall that I have, like surface face value, is the fact that all the names are on the back of the actual individual shadows. So in order to know what names you're going to use, you have to actually take them out. Now for me, I have nails on, so I mean they don't pop out that hard, but just the fact that I would have to take it out and go through each and every one and then put them back in is kind of a bit of a bummer. I wish that there was like a little piece of paper or something, especially if you buy the bundle. Or even if you buy them, I think they come in like packs of 4 or 3 or something. But they should have like a piece of paper or something that just says the names of the shades and whatnot. I love the packaging. It's super pretty, very sleek and chic. You know, very classy. So I'm going to do an eye look. I really want to play with these and I'm super excited. I have no idea which ones I want to play with. Okay, so I'm starting with the shade right here, and I'm going to put that all into my crease, my brow bone area. It's going to be like my first transition shade that I'm going to lay down. Then I'm going to go in with this shade here, the small B shade, and I'm just going to deepen up the crease. And I'm not going to bring it too far up past my brow bone. I'm just going to keep it focused as my second transition shade. Then here I am using Tarte Shape Tape in light medium to cut part of the crease in my eye. And I'm going to use this purple shimmery satin to set down. I love this purple shade. I don't use purples a lot, so when I saw it I was super excited to play with it. Now here I'm going to use this shade. It's like a champagne color, and I'm just going to put that on my inner part of the lid and set that part, and then blend everything together. Make sure you know there's no harsh lines and whatnot. So as I'm putting this color down, I'm really trying to make sure that the lines are blended into each other seamlessly. For me, that's one of my things that I'm self-conscious about when I'm putting down eyeshadows. So I go in like a few times and I double check and triple check, and you know, you want to blend it out, blend and blend, blend. So now I'm going to go back into the lid shade here with that purple color. And I really just want to make sure that I don't lose it as I'm blending the other shade into it. Okay, so now I'm going to take this dark brown shade and I'm going to use a pencil brush to pop that on my eye. I'm really going to try to smoke it out at the same time as I'm putting this down, making sure that everything is blended. Now I'm going to use this silvery purple and I'm going to put it on top of the first champagne color that I put down. I felt like it wasn't giving me enough brightness, so I'm trying to lay this on top to add that little pop that I needed. So now basically I'm doing everything that I did to the first eye onto my other eye, and I'm also going back and checking to make sure that they both look even as possible. My eyes are slightly uneven, so I'm self-conscious about that. So, you know, I'm going back and forth, making sure there's no harsh lines, everything is blended out the way I want it, and, you know, that everything's looking good. We don't want no janky eye look today. Okay, so now I'm going to go back into this mauve shade, and I'm going to start laying that down with a slightly denser fluffy brush underneath my lash line on the bottom lashes. And then I'm also going to be going back in with the dark brown shade just to touch up the top lid and to just add some to the lower lash line on the outer corner only. So now I'm just checking to make sure that everything's blended out and that my eyes are even, that the colors are as vibrant as I want them to be, that I don't have any weird patchiness. But these colors, as I'm putting down, they are blending out lovely. Okay, so I'm back. I did the rest of my makeup. I put on some lashes, you know, mascara, the whole works. So yeah, this is the look that I came up with this eyeshadow palette. I do have to say, everything blended beautifully. There was a little bit of fallout, but you're gonna get that with most palettes anyway, but not enough to the point where it was like, ugh, you know? There was a little bit of kickback, but again, nothing too major. This palette, I love this palette so far. I love the colors. I've used mainly I've used these three up here, this dark chocolate, this purpley shade, and then this for my inner corner. I did try this at first, but it wasn't as bright enough, but I put this on top and it worked perfectly. So yeah, I give this palette a big thumbs up. I think that this is well worth the money. I mean, considering you can customize it to your liking, and the payoff was very nice. I mean, these are very creamy. They weren't drying at all. Very good palette overall. Thumbs up, definitely. So thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. You know what? Leave a comment down below and let me know if you've tried any of Laura Lee's products, which products you like, which products are your go-to. You know, I want to know these things. So yeah, I'll catch you guys in my next video.